This is exercise 11.3, chapter 11, that is surface areas and volume of class 9th mathematics. And this is exercise of NCERT. This is question number 1. Basically, in this exercise 11.3, we will discuss about the volume of a cone. So the very first question is, find the volume of the right circular cone with radius 6 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. In second part, radius is 7 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. We have to visualize it. पहले इसको हम देखते हैं फिगर से. ये देखिए कौन है, और इसका जो हाइट है फर्स्ट पार्ट में वो 7 सेंटीमीटर और रेडियस 6 सेंटीमीटर. Volume of a right circular cone is given by, what is the formula for it? That is 1 by 3 into pi r square h. In place of 1 by 3 as it is, in place of pi put 22 by 7. In place of radius put 6 into 6, and in place of height put 7. Calculate it and get answer. This is 264 centimeter cube. And this is answer of the very first part of this question. Similarly, for the second part, it is given that radius is 3.5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. Again, the formula for volume of a cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 as it is, in place of pi 22 by 7, in place of radius 3.5 into 3.5, and height that is 12. Calculate, get answer. That's all for this question number 1. Find the capacity. Capacity means volume in liters of a conical vessel with, the first part is radius is 7 centimeter and slant height is 25 centimeter. We have to do part first. So we have to visualize it. There is a cone with height h not given, radius 7 centimeter given, and slant height 25 centimeter given. For the volume, the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So height is required. So we have to calculate first height. We know this is right angle triangle. So there is relation between slant height, and radius. That is, slant height is equal to square root of radius square plus height square. So height is equal to square root of slant height square minus radius square. So height is equal to square root of L square minus R square. L is slant height here to here. And this is height. This is radius. Radius given 7 centimeter. Height is given 25 centimeter. Slant height is given 25 centimeter. So height is 25 whole square minus 7 whole square. 25 whole square is equal to 625. 7 whole square is 49. 625 minus 49, that is 576. And 576, its square root is 24, because 24 into 24, that is 576. So height is 24 centimeter. This is 24 centimeter. Now we use the formula of the capacity means volume of the cone. That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 as it is. In place of pi, put 22 by 7. In place of radius, put 7 into 7. In place of height, that is 24. Calculate and get answer. That is 1232, means 1232 centimeter cube. But we need the capacity in liters. We know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So whenever you want to convert centimeter cube into liter, divide centimeter cube unit into by 1000. So 1232 upon 1000 liters, that is equal to 1.32 liters. Answer of the very first part. ये जो रेडियस 7 सेंटीमीटर और स्लांट हाइट 25 सेंटीमीटर है, ऐसे कोनिकल वेसल का जो वॉल्यूम होगा, जो कैपेसिटी होगा लीटर्स में, वो होगा 1.32 लीटर्स. नोट करें 1000 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1 लीटर्स. Now second part, it is given height 12 centimeter and slant height 13 centimeter. Again the same formula. H is equal to square root of L square minus R square. L की जगह put करें, you put in place of L you replace by 13 and H by 12. 13 whole square is 169, 12 whole square is 144. 169 minus 144, that is 25. And square root of 25 is 5. So the height is 5 centimeter. To get the volume means the capacity, again use the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3, 22 by 7, 5 into 5 into 12. Calculate, and this is 2200 upon 7 centimeter cube. But again, because capacity is required, means volume is required into liters, and we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So divide this by 1000 to get the volume, the capacity in liters. So that is 227 multiplied by 1 by 7. Liters, approximately 0.314 liters. Answer, again note 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. That's all for this question. The height of a cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, means 1570 centimeter cube, then find the radius of the base. The height is 15 centimeter and volume is given 1570 centimeter cube. We know the formula for the volume of a cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So 1 upon 3 pi r square h, that is equal to 1570. In place of pi, you put 3.14 h, that is 15, then calculate radius. So 1 by 3 into 3.14 into radius square into 15, that is 1570. When you calculate r, you will be getting 10 centimeter. How to calculate? Let us calculate. R square is 1570 divided by 3.14 by 5, that is 100. Cross multiply किया हमने. That is R square is 10 into 10. So R is equal to 10. So radius of the base of the cone is 10 centimeter, and this is answer of the question. This radius is 10 centimeter. And that's all for this question. If the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube, then find the diameter of the base. वॉल्यूम 48.5 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब है और इसका हाइट 9 सेंटीमीटर है, तो हम इसके फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट रेडियस देन डायमीटर. It is let the r be the radius of the base and height is already given 9 centimeters, so h is 9 centimeter. Volume of cone, it is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h, and but it is already given that it is 48 pi. But what is the formula for it? 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is 48 pi. Now, pi and pi cancel. So, 1 by 3 into r square into, in place of h, put you 9, that is 48. So, on further calculation, r square is 16. 16 can further be written as 4 into 4. So, what is r? R is 4 centimeter, and this is radius is 4 centimeter, and we know diameter is double twice of radius, so radius is 4 centimeter, then diameter will be 4 and 4, 8 centimeter. Diameter radius का double होता है. So 4 to the 8, that is 8 centimeter, and this is answer of this question. That's all for this question. A conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is the capacity in kiloliters? Capacity means volume, but volume should be in kiloliters. This is cone. Radius is 7 by 4 meter because diameter is 3.5 meter. Half of diameter is, so 3.5 means 7 upon 2 meter, that is radius, sorry, diameter. Half of it means 7 by 4 meter will be radius. डायामीटर का हाफ रेडियस होता है. डेसिमल को फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करिए, देन रेडियस विल बी 7/4 मीटर. So radius is 7/4 meter. And height means depth is 12 meter. So the height means this is 12 meter. And this radius is 7/4. Sorry, it is meter. It should be meter. Later on, I'll be converting it into meters. Capacity means the volume of a cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h, in place of 1 by 3 as it is, in place of pi 22 by 7, in place of radius, that is 7 by 4 into 7 by 4, and height is 12, means the depth is 12. On calculating, it is 38.5 meter cube. Calculate yourself, please. Simplify yourself. But we know 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter. So that is 38.5 kiloliter. Why? Because 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliter. 1 meter cube में 1000 लीटर होता है और 1000 लीटर में 1 kiloliter होता है. So you can say that 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter. That is why 38.5 meter cube is equal to 38.5 kiloliter. That's all for this question. But before that, please change this. You should write here, it is It should be meter. So that's all for this question. The volume of a right circular cone is 9,856 centimeter cube if the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter. Find height of the cone, slant height of the cone and cut surface area. एक कॉन है, उसका बेस डायमीटर 28 सेंटीमीटर है, वॉल्यूम 9856 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब है, और हमें तीन चीजों का पता लगाना है, हाइट का, स्लांट हाइट का और कट सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द कोन का। हम इसका जो है विजुलाइज करते हैं। देखिए, ये कौन है, उसका मैंने पहले ही हाइट कैलकुलेट किया 48 सेंटीमीटर, लेकिन कैसे ये आपको मैं बताऊंगा। गिवन क्या है, देखिए, गिवन रेडियस 14 सेंटीमीटर है, मीन दिस इज 14 सेंटीमीटर। हाइट हमें कैलकुलेट करना है। वॉल्यूम ऑफ कॉन, इट इज गिवन 9856 centimeter cube. But what is the formula of volume of cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r square s. That is equal to 9856. 1 by 3 as it is, in place of pi 20 by 7, r is given 14. 14 s is to be calculated. That is 9856. इस इक्वेशन से आप h कैलकुलेट कर लीजिएगा। So the value of h will be 48 centimeter. You have to calculate yourself, right? So we have got the answer of the very first part of the question. Height of the cone is 48 centimeter. Means ये जो height है, ये 48 सेंटीमीटर है, ये रेडियस ये 14 सेंटीमीटर है, और हमें ये स्लांट हाइट ये कैलकुलेट करना है यूजिंग द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। एल स्क्वायर प्लस एच स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल टू एल स्क्वायर। Perpendicular square plus base square is hypotenuse square. So using the formula. Now for the second part, slant height is given by square root of r square plus h square. R और h दोनों का वैल्यू हमारे पास है। That is r is 14 square and h is 48 square. So 14 square is 196, 48 square is 2304. आपको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा। 48 into 48 that is 2304। दोनों को ऐड करोगे तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2500 आएगा, और 2500 का स्क्वायर रूट होता है 50, बिकॉज 50 into 50 that is 2500। So we can say that is 50 सेंटीमीटर। ये जो स्लांट हाइट है ये 50 सेंटीमीटर है। So we have got the answer of the second part. The slant height of the cone is 50 centimeter. अब हमें इसका कर्ड सरफेस एरिया फाइंड आउट करना होगा। कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ कॉन इज पाई आर एल। पुट द फॉर्मूला पाई आर एल, वैल्यू पुट कर दीजिएगा। पाई 22 by 7, r 14 and l 50। Calc 7 2 za 7 2 za 14, 50 2 za 100. So that is 220 centimeter cube, and this is answer of the question. कर्ड सरफेस एरिया ये होगा इस कोन का 2200 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। A right angle triangle ABC with side 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 30 centimeter is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid solvent. Very interesting, very simple, very good question. इसको हम विजुलाइज करते हैं, देखिए. On revolving the right angle triangle ABC about side AB, we get a right circular cone as shown in the adjoining figure whose radius is 5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. इसको राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल को हम विजुलाइज करते हैं. देखिए, ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है. ये इसका 3 साइड है, 5 सेंटीमीटर, 12 सेंटीमीटर और 13 सेंटीमीटर. ये 5 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज इज 13 सेंटीमीटर. ये इसके अलोंग रिवोल्व करता है. ये इसका एक्सिस बन गया है. और जब ए बी के अलोंग ये रिवोल्व करेगा तो एक कौन बनेगा. कैसा कौन बनेगा, देखिए, इस तरह का कौन बनेगा. यू सी दिस, it is revolving along AB, means along 12 centimeter. So this 5 centimeter has this 5 centimeter has become the radius, 12 has become height, and 13 has become slant height. So radius is 5 centimeter, height is 12 centimeter. जिसके अलोंग जिसके अलोंग ये रिवोल्व करता है वो हाइट हो जाता है. हाइपोटेन्यूज इसका slant height है कोन का, means this is 13 centimeter, this is also 13 centimeter, and radius is now 5 centimeter. Using the formula of the volume of the cone, that is 1 by 3 into pi into r, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and h 12 centimeter. On calculating, that is 100 pi centimeter cube. Hence the volume of the solid so obtained is 100 pi centimeter cube. अगर आप चाहते हो कि वैल्यू को, पाई की वैल्यू आप पुट करें, 20/7 यू कैन पुट इट, और 3.14 सेंटीमीटर यू कैन, सो 3.14 you can put it, and that's all for this question. This 100 pi centimeter cube we shall be using in the next question, क्योंकि next question number 7 से relate करता है. If the triangle ABC, question number 7 means right angle triangle, it was in question number 7, revolved about the side 5 centimeter, then find the volume of the solids obtained. Find also the ratio of the volumes of the two solids obtained in question number 7 and 8. हमें क्वेश्चन 7 में एक फिगर दिया था, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल दिया था. देखो ऐसे, ये 12 सेंटीमीटर, ये 5 सेंटीमीटर, एंड दिस इज 13 सेंटीमीटर. ये अब आपके अलोंग इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द साइड 5 सेंटीमीटर. इसके अराउंड ये रिवॉल्व करता है. तो जिसके अराउंड रिवॉल्व करता है वो हाइट हो जाता है. तो हाइट इज 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस इज रेडियस. रेडियस इज 12 सेंटीमीटर. जैसे इसको रिवॉल्व करेंगे ये स्लांट हाइट हो जाएगा 13, बिकॉज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से 13 है. ये हाइट हो जाएगा और ये 12 इसका रेडियस हो जाएगा. देखिए, कंप्लीट करते हैं ट्राइंगल को. ये देख इस तरह से. So we can find the volume. 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3 pi into 12 into 12 into h. h is 5, radius is 12. Calculate करेंगे, then it will be 240 centimeter cube. क्योंकि हमें रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है, इसलिए हमने इसको पाई की टर्म में रखा है. लेटर ऑन द वैल्यू पाई विल बी कैंसल्ड आउट. But what was in question number 7? In question number 7, The right angle triangle was same, but it was revolved around the side 12 centimeter. Means height is 12 and the radius is 5. Then it also becomes a cone of height 12 centimeter and radius 5 centimeter. We also have to calculate its volume. That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So that is 1 by 3 pi 5 into 5 into 12 because 5 radius, 12 is height. It was 100 pi centimeter cube. ये पहले हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं. अगर ये 12 सेंटीमीटर के अलोंग ये रिवोल्व करता है तो इसका जो वॉल्यूम होता है वो 100 पाई सेंटीमीटर क्यूब होता है. अब इन दोनों का हमें रेशियो फाइंड आउट कर लेना चाहिए V1 अपॉन V2. So V2 upon V1, that is 100 pi upon 245, pi and pi cancel, so 5 by 12. 25 is 100, 25, 12 is 240. So what is the ratio? 5 is to 12. So the required ratio is 5 is to 12, and this is answer of this question. That's all for this question. A heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter. जब आप गेहूं को हीप को ऊपर से गिराओगे तो एक हीप बन जाता है, वो कॉनिकल शेप का हो जाता है. और ये जो शेप दे रखा है उसका, वो दे रखा है कि इसका डायमीटर 10.5 मीटर है और 3 मीटर ये वाइड है और उसका वॉल्यूम हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. और इस हीप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, कवर करने के लिए कैनवास भी यूज किया जाता है, उसका भी हमें एरिया फाइंड करना होगा. सो ही हाउ टू फाइंड आउट. देखिए ये एक हमारे पास एक कॉनिकल हीप है. गिवन डायमीटर 10.5 मीटर. So radius will be half of it, that is 10.5 by 2, that is 5.25 मीटर. ये आपका रेडियस 5.25 मीटर है. हाइट भी इसका दे रखा है 3 मीटर. हाइट इज 3 मीटर, सो हाइट इज 3 मीटर, ये आपको दे रखा है. वॉल्यूम के लिए हमें चाहिए, वॉल्यूम हम क्या के लिए हमें चाहिए, वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कॉन इज 1 by 3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. लेकिन एरिया के लिए हमें कर्ड सरफेस एरिया चाहिए, उसके लिए हमें एल चाहिए. तो पहले हम एल कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. L is r square plus h square, so 5.25 whole square, h is 3 whole square. स्क्वायरिंग आपको करना होगा. That is 27.5625 plus 3 square is 9. ऐड करेंगे, it is 36.5625. स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे, that is 6.047. आपको स्क्वायर रूट लेना आना चाहिए. So slant height will be 6.05 meter approximately. Slant height is required for the curved surface area of this cone, required for the canvas. मीन्स जो उसको कवर करने के लिए जो एक मोटा कपड़ा होता है, थिक कपड़ा होता है, उसको हम कैनवास कहते हैं. ये है. अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं कि कैसे हम इसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कॉन इज गिवन बाय 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 5.25 into 5.25 and 3. अगेन आपको कैलकुलेट करना चाहिए. टेक आउट अ पेन, नोटबुक लीजिए, पेन लीजिए, कैलकुलेट करिए, आंसर दीजिए. दैट इज 86.625 मीटर क्यूब. जो ये जो कॉनिकल हीप बन गया है उसका जो वॉल्यूम होगा दैट विल बी 86.625 मीटर क्यूब. वी हैव गिवन द आंसर ऑफ दिस पार्ट. फाइंड द वॉल्यूम. So volume is this. Now area of the canvas required, that is curved surface area of the cone, and curved surface area of the cone is given by pi RL. Pi 22 by 7, radius 5.25, slant height we already have calculated 6.05. So 6.05 Again, calculate yourself. It is 99.825 meter square answer. That's all for this question.